So, I just came back from the gym and I just ate 3 steaks, a bunch of eggs, and now I'm craving bacon, which I will buy tomorrow because what I'm struggling with is eating the amount of fat that I need to eat. Because I'm trying to put fat everywhere because it's mostly the fat that you need, but I just can't put so much thing. Today I was eating and I was so tired of eating. Like I just didn't want to eat anymore. And that doesn't happen with me because I love to eat. Everything that I like is eating, 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 and eating. But I also had another crash today, so just so very tired. I was exhausted. I had to take another nap. But anyways, I still went to the gym. You know, the one thing that I'm realizing is that I'm very slow. I have very slow reflexes. I almost hit the car. And even in the gym, a guy that is also doing carnivore, trying to trainer, I was talking to him and I was taking fucking 2 minutes to think what to say to him. I'm just so slow that people talk to me and I have to think and then say it. And normally I'm very fast, and this diet is really like putting me slow. It's the ketogenic flu, which I think will go out in about a week. Maybe less, maybe more. Anyways, I'm taking my electrolytes because supposedly the more electrolytes you take, the less time you'll have ketogenic flu. But even then, I was expecting to really have zero energy all day, and it was really not that bad because I still did so much cleaning, I still did so many interviews, I still did so much work, which was surprisingly good. I just feel very calm, and actually very strong in the gym. I feel my muscles. It's a little bit weird. I see the veins. And about the weight, my weight, I probably already lost in 4 to 5 days. I think I already lost 3 kilos. Mostly, I think it's water, but I'm not really sure, because, yeah, who knows, right? I don't feel so bad for the ketogenic flu, so we will see. Now, yeah, it's day 4. We have a lot of days. It's 56 days left because I want to go for the 2 months. But yeah, that's it for today.